my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. It is quite frequent the case that the data that you can access via API, database, or other data source is not yet in the shape or format you actually want. Here in my case, for example, the classic database, I get a long list of people with their skills. I can build a table and that's all good, but I wanted to group it in a way that I can see cities and others first. So the way to do is to use the included Lodash library. We already have this as a standard part of Lowcoder, and it is a very powerful library for all sort of data transformation in the JavaScript domain. So as you can handle arrays, collection, you have date functions, long math functions. You can even manipulate objects very easily. So that's super powerful, and we have it already, say, in the belly. And to make use of that is very easy. You can just take this, for example, in JavaScript query everywhere where you have the handlebar and can make a one-liner impression. You would just use the classic Lodash notation that you already know. Here in this case, I already have filtered group by values, and my end result is a table where I can have even a hierarchical see and view of this filtered data that I made use by Lodash. That's the shortest way to achieve my results. So I can only say it is really powerful, and we're happy to have this automatically available for you. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.